Hello guys, welcome to Lovely Discover channel. My channel is all about traveling, and in this new series I will share with you my honest review about the attractions that have been around Thailand. In this video we will talk about the boat tours in Ko Phi Phi, more specifically the pirate boat tour, because I have personal experience with them and I will share it with you. If you didn't heard about Ko Phi Phi before, it's one of the most famous islands in Thailand. It's located between Krabi and Phuket. If you want to find out more information, I will link a video here. The main reason why it's so popular is because of the Maya Bay, located in Ko Phi Pileh, which is the neighboring island to Ko Phi Phi. Maya Bay has been used in the movie The Beach, and that's why it's gone so popular. Before I start talking about my experience with pirate boat tour, I want to mention the other options that you could choose. There are lots of different long-tail boat tours which are way cheaper, around 700 per, and you can go to 9 different locations. My friend went with them and she told me that she had a really good time, so I have no doubt it will be a good option for most of you watching this. But me personally, I had a camera equipment, and going 9 different locations would limit my time to make a video. That's why I wanted to go with a tour operator. And after I eliminated the long tails, the cheapest option was pirate boat tour, which cost me around 1,300 Thai baht. That was also including the 400 Thai baht national park fee. So it was the cheapest option after the long tail boat. If you don't have a budget problem like I did, you can also choose a private boat tours, but it was way out of our budget. If you want, there is also that option for you as well. On the day of the tour, first thing we did, we went to the Dublin Irish pub. Once everybody got together, the staff take us to the harbour. The boat was pretty nice. There was 2 decks, there was toilets, there was shade, there was bar to get a drink if you fancy. And more importantly, the staff was friendly and they could speak very well English. Once we got on the boat, they started giving us information about the tour that we were going to have. First place we stopped was Monkey Beach. We spent around 20-30 minutes in the beach with the monkeys. Before we go down, they warned us about monkeys that could be aggressive. But when I was down there, I didn't see any monkeys being aggressive towards any tourist that was in the beach. After Monkey Beach, we started heading to Ko Phi Phi. First thing, we passed the Viking caves. We didn't stop there. As we were passing by, they just give us information, and they also bring us some examples to check out. The Viking cave is famous because they harness the bird nest there and they sell it to China, which is a pretty expensive product for them. After Viking cave, we come to my favorite location, which was Pileh lagoon. It was absolutely amazing. The boat couldn't go all the way inside the lagoon. It had to stay outside because the water get really shallow, but they supplied us kayaks. So once we get the kayaks, we go all the entrance and we go all the way inside where the sharp mountains suddenly surround all around us. And once we passed the shallow water, there was a deep circle which you could swim as well. So it was really nice experience. We did kayaking around 15-20 minutes, and when we come back to the boat, there was snorkeling equipment. We just take some of them, and then as we start snorkeling, it was unbelievable underwater life there. There was at least thousands of fish. I don't know if it was because the other boats was throwing food for them to come around us, but there was tons of fish around, and it was incredible experience. And I can honestly say this was one of the best experiences I had during my 7 months travel in Thailand. We spent around 1 hour in Pileh lagoon. Afterwards, we start driving by Low Summer Bay. We also didn't stop there. As far as I understand, this is a location they use in a bad weather to connect with the Maya Bay, because it's literally behind Maya Bay, and there's a path that you can use to connect between the beach. But lucky for us, we had the tour, the weather was nice, so we didn't stop there, we just come to the Maya Bay directly. When we arrived to Maya Bay, it was beautiful as expected, but it was really crowded. So we decided to break from the crowd a little bit. We start walking towards Low Summer Bay. It was nice nature, but once we arrived to Low Summer Bay, there was a big queue for the stairs to go into the Low Summer Bay. That's why we didn't do it, we just decided to come back to Maya Bay. But as we tried to chill, the sun was really nice, the beach was really nice, but it was too crowded, boats were keep coming in and out, the beach was full, so it wasn't really a nice place to chill. If we would have stayed there overnight, I'm sure I would have fallen in love with that place, but as the way I experienced it, it was average at best. After my bay, as the sun was setting, we go back to the boat. They give us fried rice for a meal, and the sun was just setting, so we had our dinner with the sunset. I don't know if you see any pictures from Koh Phi Phi for a sunset before, but it is unbelievable when there is sunset in Koh Phi Phi. It is beautiful. The whole sky turns into this orange pink color. It was beautiful, and being able to see it in the middle of the sea with having a dinner with my girlfriend, it was really nice. And after the sunset, we just come back, the tour finished. In my honest opinion, they shouldn't advertise that there is 5 different attractions you're gonna visit, because in Viking Cave and Lost Summer Bay, the boat doesn't stop, it's just drive past, so it doesn't really mean anything. And Monkey Beach and Maya Bay, they were average experiences. I'm not saying they're bad experience, but they're pretty average, nothing special that's stuck in my mind. For me, the highlight of the trip was Pileh Lagoon. I really enjoyed Pileh Lagoon. And also the sunset was really nice. Having a dinner with the sunset was really nice as well. So if I would have done it again, and if I didn't have a camera, I would have definitely go with the long tail. I don't think there is much difference, maybe a little bit comfort, but it's way more cheaper, and you would get probably the same experience, same or similar experience. But if you have valuable equipment that you don't want to risk, or if you are with a kid, if you are, as lots of families were traveling as well, I definitely will advise you to go with the boat tour. And if you want to save some money as well, Pirate Boat Tour is the cheapest option, and it is pretty nice experience. So I would definitely advise to choose Pirate Boat if you're planning to go with the boat tour. If you want to save some money, long tail would be a much better option. I hope this video been helpful. If you need any more information about Koh Phi Phi or the boat tours, write down below and I will try to turn back to you as soon as possible. And also, if you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. I share new videos every week, and there will be more review videos coming in this new series. So if you like this format, please let me know so I can keep doing more. Thank you for watching. See you next video.